How to recover your suspended Instagram account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can recover your Instagram account if it was suddenly suspended. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So Instagram suspends accounts for the things such as spamming, violating the community rules, or using fake names and bots. So first of all, check your email, and Instagram usually explains why your account was suspended. Now, what you have to do is try to log in into your account again. Head over to your Instagram application and or website, then try to log in. If you see messages like your account was suspended or we have detected suspicious activity, so on the screen tap on learn more to start the recovery process and understand why your account was suspended or disabled. Now, in order to recover your account, you can submit an appeal to Instagram support. For that, what you have to do is you have to open up Google in your device, and in the search bar, you could search for Instagram submit appeal for disabled account. Then you could head over to the first link that says Instagram recovery page for disabled account. So once you land on here, you can scroll down a bit and here it says if someone gained access to your account, or if you're unable to log in into your account, you could visit this page. So there, tap on visit this page and that's gonna take you to a different page where you can request Instagram support. So first of all, you can enter the username, email or phone number that is linked with your account so that the Instagram support may identify your account. Now you'll get some of the options to recover your account. If you have access to all this account, you could choose one from there. There you'll get a verification code, and with that code you could recover your account. If not, you could directly submit a form or appeal to the Instagram support providing your name, email and username and hit and submit. Then Instagram may ask you to verify your identity, which could be a selfie holding a code or the photo ID. So make sure that you follow instructions properly, and once the Instagram replies you, make sure that you follow the instructions properly. So make sure that you keep your eye out on an email or the spam folder. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.